How's it going, guys? This is Jay from the Crypto Arc. I'm going to give you some updated news on a very new pick of mine. It's called BooFi or Boo. I forgot the full name. Before I get started, let's just say that this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm only recording my journey towards this new economy, and you should definitely do your own research as well. Take advantage of my information that I'm giving you. All right, so let's get to this motivational quote. Keep walking through the storm. Your rainbow is waiting on the other side. So right now, there's a lot of things happening. One, my place is having a lockdown again. I don't know how long this is gonna go, but if it's the same pattern as last year, probably up until September or something, and then they're gonna do some soft launch somewhere in spring, summer. Um, there's that one, and of course, crypto markets having a little bit of a pullback, which is expected, and also other channels have been telling about it too. So if I'm suffering now, as well as the others, it's kind of our fault for not pulling out. Me, on the other hand, I have way too many positions to be worrying about. It's just that's the hard part when you have a well diversified portfolio catered towards multiple sectors. It's just hard to manage all of them at the same time. But I guess I'm gonna have to start rethinking my strategy, and I got a lot of time now in my hands to do that. But that also means there's a bunch of other times. I gotta allocate my time properly, effectively, and efficiently. Yeah. All right. So there's that. Let's see what the Fed is doing. So I think it was yesterday they were doing 1.49 or 1.4, and couple of days before that they were doing 1.9 trillion. So now they're slowly going back up again. So that should reflect well on the market somewhat, but not too well. Another indicator to pay attention to is the dollar index. So this is negative. That's a good sign. That's definitely gonna push the market up a bit. As to how much, we don't know. We gotta look at the other indicators outside of this one. There's the 10-year yield. I don't know what's happening with that one. I didn't open it. And also crude oil price. Remember, crude oil price are gonna keep pushing that up. It will have its little dips here and there, but it's gonna go up. Okay, so let's see how the market is doing. Okay, it's still taking a crap. That's okay. Bitcoin is going down even further. Um, as to where the floor is going to be, I don't know, but from what I see in Tether here, 97 cents. So that means these guys are pulling out of their stable coins and buying assets. So that is a good sign right here with Tether. And yo, USDC is doing the same thing. So that's a good thing. Let's see what Binance USD is doing. 97 cents too. So that to me is an indicator that they are moving and they're buying assets. So we should see a push up, guys. Now Bitcoin dominance is going down, so it's a good thing, and we are seeing more signs that we are in the alt season. I'll give you guys some tweets too. It's been a trending thing in Twitter. I'll show you guys. Um, let's see, tech lead. Alt season is coming. BTC dominance is at critical support levels, according to this guy named Crypto Token. Let's take a look at this chart. So this right here is a chart of Bitcoin dominance. So right now this is the support level right here in the red. So now if we break through here, this red line, and start moving towards this yellow line, it's gonna be alt season. All that money liquidity is gonna be going towards our alts, which is going to be a good thing. Now, is Bitcoin gonna die? I do not think so. We are still due for a push, and let me give you the reason why. Tech lead right here. He's a pretty famous YouTuber or influencer. Yep, he's an ex-Google employee, so this guy definitely has a lot of knowledge. And anyways, he's saying that the Fed can't afford to raise interest rates. They're the major borrower. Though we like to pretend otherwise, the only way out of such massive debt is inflation. And he's not the only one saying that, man. Gregor Manarino keeps saying that as well. So Tech Lead recommends buying the dip, and I do recommend buying the dip as well if you have any liquid source. So here is the graph of the Fed's balance sheet right here, the month that they owe. I think this is their balance sheet right here. Yeah, pretty much. That's it. So if they raise interest rate on this, that's impossible. They owe too much. So what does that mean? It means they're gonna borrow more debt and then they're gonna put that in the market. So just stay in the market, guys. Trust me, it's gonna go back up again. And that is not financial advice, okay? All right, so let's get to the actual crypto. Boo Finance. I got in on this thing earlier this year, and when I did get in, it was around here, and then it did do a pump. Now I thought it was gonna be stable around that price because of the staking they have. So I thought I was gonna stay there or like stagger around here, but turns out I was wrong. It started going even lower. So now I'm in a negative. Do I think it's over? No, I don't think so. Seeing as how it has a 2 million supply and it's still fairly new and they got something new happening, I think there's still going to be more potential to come. It's just for people to now talk about it and spread the word, and that's exactly what I'm doing now. Like I said, I'm already in it. I got in around like $3 something. It did take a dip, kind of sad, but you know what? You gotta take risk when it comes to investment, and I do believe in this project, and also because it's AVAX. AVAX right now is getting a lot of traction, so if money is moving there, for sure, its DeFi ecosystem is also gonna grow. Um, so how to get this is let's see, you gotta have MetaMask set up. You gotta add AVAX in there, and then through AVAX, you just do a little swapping here and there, and then that's how you get Boo Finance. Now, I want to give you guys some Boo Finance update. Boo Finance is now live on DeFi Llama. You can track their total value growth, total value locked, and their growth. So, so what this is just more adoption for Boo Finance. Um, I like that because, well, I put my money in there, so of course I would want it to grow. So this is just the first one. Of course, it is. We're still gonna wait for more. I did do a retweet, so that way other people can see it. So I should definitely do more. Add some more what do you call it, hashtags, so that way it gets more visibility. Now let's see here. Let me show you guys once again what's in Boo Finance. So that way, if you're new to my channel, you get to see. So when I did get in, it was around like 33 million market cap. It did start doing a push around like 40 million. When it was 40 million, it went up to like $8. So it just goes to show how volatile it can get, even with just 10 million being moved away. Now, what they have right now are just these three parts right here. It's just basically this one is liquidity providing, this one's staking. When you go here, you're basically converting your BooFi coins into Z BooFi, and then you take that and then you go to Well of Souls, and then that's where you stake your Z BooFi, and yeah, get BooFi in return. In terms of governance and battling, that's still in the works. Governance is definitely very important, especially in this new economy, because they're trying to remove basically the humans out of the picture. So that means all the politicians that we have that we usually vote for, which in my opinion is all fake, they're going to remove that idea and give it towards, give the illusion of power to the people. We're going to think that, our votes matter, but a lot of these crypto coins that you use for voting, they're going to be owned by robots, and it's mainly going to be them. Usually, I mean, like, not usually. Later on, that would be end goal that I'm seeing. This one, in terms of battling, and this is an NFT game that they have still in development. I don't know when that's going to be, but it's whatever it is definitely going to be good. Now, I definitely do think that they should put more focus on their DeFi project right here, especially with this guy, liquidity providing. You can stake your LP tokens and a bunch of other things. Please look into it. Let's see here. We'll look more into. Wow, I'm starting. It's a tokenomics. Definitely look at here. Now, why do they choose Avalanche? Avalanche is one of those scalable projects. Fuck. Overall, this project's fairly new. UI looks, branding wise, is very very good. They're sticking to a spooky style, Halloween style kind of look, which is definitely good because now it makes them like stick up from all the other competition that they have. Now, is this gonna be the only one that's doing what they're doing? I don't know. Since crypto is still new, there's still other opportunities for other companies out there to do what they're doing and do it even better. Who knows? They could have a BooFi version in the XRPL or maybe in the XLM protocol. You just never know. Anyways, that's all I got in this video. If you did like this, press that like button, share the video, and subscribe. Take care.